let's see the materials required for street light project. For street light project, we will require a small cardboard. We require black chart paper, yellow chart paper and white chart paper, spoons, tape. This is the tape given in the kit which has been used by electricians. Fevibond, glue. Kids, don't use this glue your own. Ask your parents to apply this. And make sure it should not touch to your hands, your skin or your clothes. Fevicol, 4 LED bulbs, wire, connector, a switch, a straw and battery. We'll need a pair of scissors as well to cut the paper. So let's get started. So I have taken this cardboard sheet. The measurement of the cardboard sheet is 20 centimeter breadth and 25 centimeter is the length. So this is 25 centimeter and the breadth is 20 centimeter. I have taken a black chart paper which is little bit bigger than the cardboard. So the chart paper you should cut is slightly bigger than the cardboard from all 4 sides. See, you can see the size of the chart paper here. Now I will apply the glue of the extra sides of the cardboard, extra sides of the black chart paper, sorry, not onto the cardboard but onto the chart paper, and I am going to paste it. The chart paper will be pasted onto the cardboard. So you have to fold it this way, press it nicely and paste it. It is very easy to paste. Our small kids can also do this their own. Okay, take your parents' help in cutting the cardboard and in cutting the chart paper as well. You can paste the black chart paper onto the cardboard nicely, press it, and your base of the road is ready. So this is our road. When you paste it, it will look like this. Now we will take yellow sheet. Yellow A4 sheet is given. We have to make 3 parts from this A4 sheet to make the dividers. Here we are making 2-way road, so we will have to make 3 dividers. I mean 3 stripes of yellow chart paper will be needed here. So you have to fold it such a way so that you will get equal 3 stripes of yellow paper. So this way you can fold and cut. You can take your parents' help in cutting. It's okay if the stripes are not equal, a little bit thinner or the thicker, broader actually. We'll also do cut the chart paper nicely and make 3 yellow stripes. Okay, these are ready. Now we are going to fold it nicely, but before folding we have to make the measurement of the road and we'll cut the extra yellow sheet. So you should have the yellow stripe equal to your road length. So it should be 25 centimeters. You can cut the extra yellow part. Be careful while using the scissor. This way you can cut the extra yellow part. And now we will fold the yellow sheets, the yellow stripes actually. you can fold it this way. A little bit of the sides we have to fold to give it a volume. So this is one side, and now from the other side. It can be 1/2 centimeter. Okay, so fold it such a way so when we will paste it onto the road, it will give little bit height. See, like this. We will fold all 3 stripes like this.
Same way we can do here as well.
It requires a lot of fine motor skills development for kids, because folding and pressing the paper nicely, it is not only the fun, but it improves the fine motor skills, the finger movement of the child as well. So now our dividers are ready, and press it nicely, and the third one is also ready. Okay, now what is the color of the divider actually? Is it only yellow, kids? No, it is black and yellow. Yes, so we are going to make it a black stripe and yellow stripe
And cut a stripe of a black chart paper.
For that again
Like
we will need black chart paper. Make small stripes of the black chart paper. The stripe should be equal to the width of yellow stripe. So you can cut them nicely, and now we are going to paste this small black stripe onto the yellow divider.
Yellow sheet.
Apply some glue and keep on pasting them. So you have to paste all the black stripes, giving some distance. Yes, so it should be looking like yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black stripes. Lot of glue work, lot of cutting work. Press it gently. You will have fun making your road. So this way we can paste all black stripes onto the yellow one, giving some space. So when we will paste it on our road, it will look like actual divider, what we can see on the roads. Press it nicely. Apply the glue on the extra black stripes to paste them on the road. See, give a little volume by folding a little bit, so it will be a semicircular stripe. Yes, I have already pasted the first divider. Now I am pasting the second one for you. See how I am pasting. You have to put it gently and press it nicely. Press for at least some minutes so that it will get stick over there. This is how you have to. When you want to paste something, you have to be little patient, right? So don't worry, don't be hurry. Do your work nicely, neatly. Don't hurt yourself, and make it beautiful for yourself. So our divider is ready. Now we will have one more divider in the middle part. Yes, here, because we are making two-way road, right? And this divider is very important. See, I have pasted the black stripe over it. Now I am using the straw to make light pole. स्ट्रीट लाइट्स पोल, राइट, पोल जो होता है स्ट्रीट लाइट का, वो हम बनाने वाले हैं स्ट्रॉ से. सो दिस स्ट्रॉ आई एम कटिंग इट इनटू 2, so they should be equal in length. Here one is slightly bigger, so I am cutting that as well. So the straw is going to be our pole. Okay, from one straw I have made 2 poles, and now I'm marking where I want to stick them. I'll just mark and I will make a hole. So with the scissor, with the help of scissor, I'm making hole where I want to paste the straw. Why I am doing that? Because the wiring will be there in this divider. Make sure you take your parents' help in making the hole and all. So with the help of scissor, I made a nice hole into that. Now I am going to take wire. This wire is given into the kit, but children, if you feel that the wire is not sufficient, because when I was making that, I found that the wire was not sufficient enough. So I have used the extra wire which was available at my home from a mobile charger. The mobile charger was not working, so I used that wire as well. So here I'm passing 2 wires from one straw which I have cut it, right? So I'm passing 2 wires. So actually there are total 4 wires, 2 positive wire and 2 negative wire, because I'm going to attach 2 bulbs here. So I will need 2 positive and 2 negative wire in one pole. Same way I will do it with the other straw as well. So 4 wires here, 2 positive wire, 2 negative wire in one pole and 2 into the other one. Kids, positive wires are generally of red, white and yellow in color. Here what I have given is transparent, right? So positive is transparent and negative is blue in color. What we have given into the kit, blue color is negative. Generally blue, green and black color wires are negative wires. The LED bulbs we have given into that also, one strand, one wire is longer than the other one. So the longer one is called positive and the shorter one is called negative. So the positive will go with either red color wire or transparent wire or white color wire, right, or yellow color wire. But at the same time, the shorter one, which is the negative side of the LED, will be attached to the blue, black or green wire. Okay, so whatever color you are using, whatever wire color you are using, here I am using the transparent and the blue which we have given into the kit. So the longer strand will be attached to transparent wire and the shorter strand of LED will be attached to blue colored wire. So that way you can attach your LEDs. You can take your parents' help in attaching them if you don't know how to do. Otherwise, don't hurt yourself because these are sharp. The LEDs are sharp, right? So take your parents' help in attaching the wires to the LED. Make sure the longer one will go with red or transparent and the shorter one will be attached to blue, okay, or black. So this is how I have attached both the poles with two LEDs. So total 4 LED bulbs I am using. Now I am going to the both positive and negative strand should not come together, otherwise our LED will not work. So I am separating them using this tape. All 4 strands will be different, right? Should be different. They should not get attached to any one or each other. So I'm using the blue tape or the electrician's tape, which is also given into your kit. You can use that to make sure that all 4 wires are separated nicely. Also we will need this tape because we have to attach, like we have to give the cover onto the LED. As you must have seen, actual street light is also, the bulbs are not open, the bulbs are also covered, right? On the roads the bulbs are also covered in certain type of objects, like you will see we will use the spoons here to cover them. So this way I have used tape, and now we are going to connect all the wires to the main part. How we will do that? See, we will just pass this, both the straws along with the wire from the divider. Then the extra wire I have used from the mobile charger are black and red in color. So here I will be attaching both the pole wires to each other. So how I will do that? I will attach black color one to the blue color one and red to the transparent one, right? So black wire to blue wires, and if you have any other color, just make sure that negative will be attached to negative wire. Negative wires will be attached to negative wire, and positive wire will be attached to positive wire. So this is how you can attach them. I am using black and red. So black to blue one and red to the transparent one. This extra wires I have used from the charger, the mobile charger. I had one mobile charger which was not working, so I took these wires from that mobile charger. You can also use any available wires at your home. So they may be different in color, but your parents will help you to find which is positive and which is negative. So positive wires will get attached to positive wires only. If you will make a mistake in connecting the wires, then your LEDs may not work properly. So here I have connected all the wires to correct one. Both the poles are ready, and I have one positive and one negative wire which will be attached to the switch. So before we do that, let's just stick the divider first. So I'm sticking this divider now in the middle of the road. See, the divider is stuck. Now I'm taking the connector. The connector was given, and in connector there is one black wire and one red wire. So black wire will get attached to the black or the negative wire from which is also attached to the poles, right? And the red ones, there are two red wires, one from the connector and the other from the poles. So in between you have to attach the switch. Switch is also having two parts, right? So this both red wires will get attached to both of them. Don't attach them all together, right? So attach them. There are two holes. So in one hole one red wire, in the other one other red wire. And then this connector, you can attach battery to the connector. So make sure after all the connections the wires are stable, you are not moving them. So use tape to make them stable. You can connect your battery to the connector and try. Yes, see, the LEDs are lighting. So our that shows that the connections are proper. If your connections are not proper, you have to check where is the mistake. Remember, positive to positive and negative to negative. So now since my connections are okay, I am pasting the battery as well so that it will not move here and there. And this is how half of the project is ready. Now little bit is required. See, the switch is there, the battery is connected, and it is working as well. Now we will take the spoons. We need 4 spoons here because we have 4 LED lights, LED bulbs. So 4 spoons. We don't want full spoon, so we will cut them from the. We only need the front part of the spoon to cover our LEDs. So we'll cut them. They are a little bit harder, so take your parents' help into the cutting. Here you can once you cut them, you have to use Fevibond glue. Children, this glue is not for you. You have to take your parents' help into this. Make sure you this glue doesn't touch to your clothes or your skin or your hairs, because from your clothes and hair it will not get removed easily, right? So take your parents' help. Apply slight rubber glue onto the tape and then paste the spoon. These spoons are plastic one, and they are not getting pasted by Fevicol. That's why we have to use this rubber glue. Otherwise, if you have the hot gun glue, you can use that as well. So our covers are ready. Now let's decorate the road little bit. I have taken a white white chart paper you can take, and we need to cut a thin stripe of this chart paper. Thin stripe of this white chart paper. You must have observed there are white patches, white lines onto the road, somewhere onto the zebra crossing or in the middle of the road as well. You might have seen white lines. So we are going to make this white lines using this chart paper stripes. So I have used these stripes to make lines only. You can make the zebra crossing in your project. Also you can plant some trees. You can make some trees and you can attach them as well onto the sides of the road. So along with the street light, you can also decorate your road nicely using creative ideas. So this is my LED street light project. Let me see how you are making your street light project. Don't get hurt, and wherever needed, take your parents' help. I'm sure they will be happy to help you. Let's check it one more time. See, it is beautiful. I have blue colored LED here. Some of you may have different colors, white or red or green as well.